Hey guys, gals, this is Aaron McGowan. I want to shoot a quick video on how to make yellow letters easy and cheap. I know a lot of people want to get into real estate investing and they're having a hard time finding motivated sellers. Don't know what to do. I think the most effective way that I've generated motivated seller leads is by using letters or postcards or direct mail altogether. Um, a lot better than hanging bandit signs and ads on Craigslist. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make yell letters. It may be a little bit technical, but if you watch this video over a couple of times, you will be able to get it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to need the yellow paper, like the one here. The yellow paper that you have, you probably get them from Office Max or Office Depot. They're gonna come in a sheet tablet like this. You can rip off each page. And what I do is I lay it on my flatbed scanner. So I have an all-in-one printer. So I take this sheet of paper and I scan it. I scan it on my scanner using the scanner, and I do the document as a photo, not a document. I want all color, and I'm just gonna pretty much scan it, and I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Once I save it to my desktop, I'm gonna take it over here to Microsoft Word. Now, when you go to Microsoft Word, now it's gonna be a little trick. I just learned how to do this yesterday because I've been writing them out, doing it the hard way for a long time. So what you want to do is you want to go to Layout in Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft, I think, 2010. I mean, Word 2010, I think it is. What you want to do is you want to go to Watermark. Once you saved it on your desktop, go to Watermark. You're going to go to Picture. You're going to select the picture. So I have it on here somewhere. I got to find it. Yellow letter 3. And you're going to see, so this is the actual page, the paper that I have. So I scanned it, I saved it to my desktop as a JPEG. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. So I saved it as a JPEG. Now I'm going to insert it, right? I'm going to uncheck washout, and I'm going to make it at 100%. Okay? Once you do that, you're going to click OK. And look, it brings it right here into your Microsoft Word document. Now, all you have to do is find a font that is that looks like it's handwritten. I have this font on my computer called Becky. The Becky font looks like a hand, look like it's handwritten. You can use that one, or you can just go down through just to find out if there's any other ones that look like the handwritten fonts. But if not, you can just Google. You can Google the Becky font and just save it to your computer and use it for your campaign. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna write your simple little letter. Mine is very easy, straight to the point. I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks. Let me just find one of my old documents. This is a blank one. So this is a blank one. All you do is you just write it as you write the letter, and as you can tell, it looks like it's handwritten. And now, once you have it all written up how you want it, you can. Let me just go back and just do it. Some people may be like, I can't understand. So here it is. So I'm gonna write it up. Dear owner. You're not gonna put owner. You're gonna put the owner's name, right? And I put in mine. I said, "Hi, my name is Ari. I just drove by your house at and I'm gonna put the address, and then I'm gonna put the city, and then 2 lines down, the other day, and I would like to buy. I would like to, then I put buy, right? And this is how I do buy. I tab it over here. Don't worry about the lines right now. I'm gonna show you how to fix that in just a second. I'm gonna go over here and put a dollar sign, and I put buy, and then space, dollar sign again, and then I'm gonna come back down to the next line. Buy your house cash. Please call me if you want to sell. Wait, double line. Sell to me, right? And then I go down here and I tab it over here. Please call. Then I do God bless. And then I write my name. And then my telephone number. Right? And you write the telephone number. Okay? Now, some of these are not perfect, right? They're not on the line. They're not, you know, they look like they're on top of the line or whatever. They may not print out properly. So this is what I do. You can go. Let me just fix all this. So first thing you want to do is I like to send my letters in red ink. So I send it in red ink, and I also want my font to be larger. I don't want 12 font. I want like an 18 font, right? So when I do that, it actually brings the words right on the line. So next thing you want to do is you want to go to where it does not look like it's on the line properly, and you want to go to, let me check, right here where it says this one, which has the lines and the 2 arrows, which is the line spacing. You want to go down to line spacing options, right? And then you want to go down here and play with the line spacing. So I want to make it go down, see what happens with that, right? And guess what? It brings it to the line. Now I gotta fix this down here. Now this one is the same thing. Down here is the same. So I want to fix that, bring it down, and look what happens. It brings it right to the line. So now I want to bring this down. Let me see. No. This line spacing, where is it? And then I want to, and it brings it right to the line, right? There you go. So you have all the line spacing is correct, except for this one. This one looks like it's right on the line. So I want to change this one up a little bit. This to 0.5, and it's there. But I brought this one up a little bit. It's gonna take a little getting. Once you get it right, it'll be spot on from now on. So now look, this one right here, the buy, I wanted to buy a little bit larger. So I'm gonna buy the about 24 font, right? And then I leave it just like that. It looks pretty good. Oh, except for up here. Let me bring this up a little bit. Tab. Alright, so this is not working right. Let me just do the line spacing for this real quick. Line spacing down. Nope. Line spacing to 1. Let's do 1. Because this is... God bless. Let me see. it's not working out pretty good. It's gonna take a little playing around. So now let's do this 1.5 again. 0.5. God bless. All right. Okay, so once you have that all set up, you are pretty much almost there. The next thing you want to do is you want to pull, if you have a list of names that you're going to mail to, you can get a list of names from list stores. You can get a list of names from Agent, I think it's Agent Pro 24. I'm going to put them all in this video. So it'll be Agent Pro 24. You can get a list of names from list stores or wherever you get your list of names from. And you want to do a mail merge. So you want to go up here to Tools and do Mail Merge. Right? Now I want to create a new form letter. Right? And I'm going to get a list from Open My Source. Now I'm going to open it up. Alright, and I'm going to go to my list source, and I'm going to pull this, I'm going to pull my Perth Amboy list. So I'm going to pull this, Perth Amboy list right here. Right? And I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm going to click Max for DOS. This is just something, yeah. I'm going to use that. Okay, so now what I want to do is it's going to take the names from my list and automatically put them into this document. So, for instance, the owner's name, I'm going to find the owner's name. So I want the owner's first name, right? And I'm going to drag it over to here. And it's owner's, wait, let me just delete that real quick and do it again. So I'm going to take owner's first name, put it there, put a comma. Then I want the property address, right? So I'm going to delete that property address, which was the property. Where's the property address? Property address. Property address is here. And then I want city, and I'm going to take the city and put it over there, property city, right? So I have property address and property city, right? I had those both in there. So once I have done that, it's going to pretty much populate all these letters for me. So let me right now click on this option here which says merge. I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to look on the page. And I'm going to make it so it's going to say merge to new document. So now it's going to populate all these addresses to this new document. So for instance, so here it is. So it says Dear Norberto. That's his name. Hi, my name is Ari. I just drove by your house in Perth Amboy the other day. I would like to buy it. Your house, cash. Please call me if you want to sell to me. Please call. God bless. Ari, my telephone number. Very easy. So now once you have done that, you can print it out. But once you have this, the thing is, once you have this form set up, all you need to do is load your printer with the paper that you pretty much tore off, right? You tore it off from this notepad, and I'm going to print out one. I'm going to print out the first page, right? So you can see how it looks. So I'm going to say print. Computer's running slow for some reason. Print page. from page 1 to 1. Print page 1 to 1. And I'm going to print it onto my yellow papers. I have my printer already loaded up with yellow paper. I'm going to print it to the yellow paper. As you can see, this is how it's going to look. I'm going to print 1 to 1 and print. As you can see, there's 96 pages. So as you can see right here, it's pages 1 to 96. So each page is a letter. So I have 96 letters queued up, which is easy. But just for time's sake, I've already printed out from another document. This is how the letter looks after it's done. With my font that I have picked, which is the Becky font. This is how it looks. This is how my letter looks. Now I'm just going to pretty much fold this letter and pretty much mail it out. When I mail it out, I mail it in 2 different folders, 3 envelopes. I either have a red envelope, which is my first mailing, or a green envelope, which is my second mailing. So these are the small invitation style envelopes, which once you either handwrite it, the address on there, or you can use the printer and do the mail merge to print it on here. Either or works, but just make sure it looks like it's handwritten. Once you do that, these people are going to think that they got an invitation in the mail, and they're going to open it and they're going to read your letter. And if they're wanting to sell, they will sell. Now this person here came from a list that I purchased. So if you want to mail to this guy, you want to be shady like that and mail to him. But I've already mailed to him. But that's exactly how it works for you to mail out, or you can make some yellow letters that are easy and cheap. You don't have to go through the mail printing services and get it all done. So all you gotta do is set it up properly. Just like I said, go back over this video again and watch it. Go through the steps and fix it and adjust it just using that that line spacing, just so that you can line up your lines properly. Once you've done that and you're finished, you can just take out, once you have it all set up, right? You have everything set up, you can take out that yellow letter out the background, because it's going to print. Stop. It's going to print the yellow letter. So what you want to do is you want to take off. So go back to layout, go to watermark, and you want to remove the watermark because it's already laid out. So all you need to do now is just print it just plain, just like this, on your yellow paper, because it's already has been set up on the form. So if you leave it just like this, the lines will line up properly just because you've already set it up. All right. This is Ari. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps anyone who wants to get a direct mail campaign out using yellow letters. And I hope you get a lot of motivated seller leads because it does work. I think I get about 20 to 30 calls a week just based on my little yellow letter campaign that I send out. So if you like this video, comment in the comment bar, like it, share it, and hopefully we can do some deals together soon. Take care. Bye-bye.